Hey guys, it is Chaotic the Furry here, and today we're going to be drawing a wolf head. And this is a tutorial for those who who I asked and said they wanted one. This is going on my YouTube, Chaotic the Furry, and my TikTok is Chaotic the Furry as well. Or actually, it might be Chaotic Wolf. I don't really pay attention to that thing. So first off, you start off with a circle for the head. The shape and size of the head is going to be dependent on the size of your circle here. And then from the middle of the circle here, middle of the circle, you're going to draw a line out about however far you want the snout or snoot to be. And then you draw a line here going down to the about to the bottom of the circle here. And then you go connect the line, connect it to the bottom of the circle, like that. And then you go from the top of the circle here, draw lines. This was going to be your forehead here. Go back, and then go do a curved line connecting the snoot to the forehead, just like that. And then from the back of this line here, you're going to do your ears. And then you go up about how big you want the ears. This is a canine. And then you bring it back in like this. And then from this line here, make sure it's thin up here, but not too thin. And then right about here, you can curve up and connect the lines with this bump here. This is just for if you want to add this look here, or you can leave it blank. It's whatever. And that also makes the ear look a lot better. And then what I do here at the forehead here is I erase the straight part of the line, and then I curve it down. I curve it down into the ear, give the head a bit more of a rounded look. And then from the back of the ear here, go from right about here, you go down. This is going to be your neck. From about here on the snoot, bottom, curve that down as well. And then you can connect those two lines together however you want. Just like that. So there's your basic head shape right there. So now we're going to do the nose here. Or yeah, we can do the nose. So we go back, curve it back, start heading back in, and then you go downwards. There's the nose right there. And then you find out where you want to have your mouth. Mark it with a straight line here, because it's going to be your mouth. Then erase this bottom part, not all the way. Just move down up back a little bit, curve it in, and then erase this part here and curve it into the mouth, just to give it a rounded out look. And then you can curve the top of your nose as well, like this. like that, just to give it a nice rounded look. And you add a triangle here. You can add a line here if you want. That's going to be colored in when you line the drawing. And then what I like to do is turn the drawing in upside down for this lower jaw. Color it, draw, and then curve it up to get a nice angle here. Like that. That should define your jaw right there. So there, and then you go to the mouth. You expand it however far you want, and then you can add whatever fish, however you want the mouth to look, like straight, smiley, frowny. And then, if you guys want me to show you how to draw the mouth open, I can do that as well. Then you go from here, draw a little bit of an oval shape here. You do this like that to define it. Maybe not as long, but for the tutorial's sake, I'll just leave it be like that. And then we can move from the eyes here to the eye here. I do a semicircle here, or not a semicircle, a curved line here. And then I go up like this. Do that, and then for canines, your eyebrows are like this. So like practically a circle here, and then a curved triangle. And there you go. That is a canine head right there. You can clean it up, make it, unless you got your drawing looking how good, like you want it to look, then you can move right on to lining it with a marker. Recommended is a 0.7. The 0.7 is recommended because it it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's good. So try a 0.7 marker. Do those, and then before you line it, I keep forgetting to mention this every time I record this. This is pain. Just kidding. Before you line it, you add your character's details to it. So like Kiavik, for example, the front of his snout tip of his snout is white, and he has triangles under his eyes, like this. You add the design of your character before you line it. If you do forget something, as long as you're not coloring it, yes, you can still add the design and line it. But it's recommended, I recommend you to do all the design of your character before you line it. And double and triple check that you've gotten all the designs. So let me know either in the comments of this video or in the comments of my most recent TikTok video on what species I should do next. Like, just comment any species you want. If you guys want a full body of a wolf, I can do a full body of a wolf / canine. So just let me know what you want to see next.